Hi, I'm Miss Chelsea. Today, I have this ukulele to show you. Isn't it such a cool instrument? My ukulele has lots of colors on it. And what I like about it is each string has a unique color. One string is green, one string is red, one string is yellow, and one string is blue. Ukuleles are great because they make a lot of really cool sounds and they're pretty small and easy to take with you. Here's the sound my ukulele makes. Wow, that's so cool. To play a ukulele, you move your fingers in different positions to play chords. And chords make different sounds. You can also use your fingers like this and play one string at a time.
This is a guitar. This guitar is good for playing and singing along with yourself. You can play melodies on it, you can play rhythm, you can play it fast or slow. Then you stop. I'm playing, now I stop.
I'm going to show you a really unique instrument. This instrument is called a thunder tube, and it makes a really cool sound. Can you guess what kind of sound a thunder tube might make? That's right, it sounds like a thunderstorm. Look at this. What an interesting instrument. I wonder how it works. Let's see. Whoa! It sounds like a real thunderstorm. Whoa! I can make the sound different by putting my hand over the hole. I wonder what else I can do. Hello! Whoa! It makes a cool echo. Hello! Whoa! What a cool instrument! I have a really exciting instrument to play with you today. Does anybody know what this instrument is? It does kind of look like a xylophone, but this instrument is actually called a glockenspiel. What a silly name! This instrument has lots of different bars that all have different pitches. Wow! You can play all kinds of different songs on this instrument. Oh, that sounded kind of silly. I wonder what happens if we play this big one. What do you think? Oh, low, 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 low. What about this little one? What kind of sound do you think it makes? Hi, 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 hi. So these ones are low, low, low. And over here is hi, hi, hi. Wow, that's so cool. This instrument is called a tambourine. That's right. A tambourine makes noise by shaking, 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 shaking. Each one of these little metal pieces hit together when I move it and make a little tapping sound. Shake, 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 shake. You can play a tambourine just by shaking it, or you can also use your hand to hit it. So fun.
These are sticks or claves. These make a clapping sound. You can also drum them on something. I'm drumming them on my knee. But not too hard, I don't want to hurt myself. I'm clapping, I'm clapping, I'm clapping. Stop. Ooh, what about green light? Green light, clap, clap, clap. Green light, clap, clap, clap. Green light, clap, clap, clap. And then red light, I stop. And then red light, I stop. Very, very nice. So these are claves. These are sticks. We use these to make rhythm with our friends. And we can sing with them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Hey, so these are claves. You can also call these stems. Ooh, what else do I have? This is kind of like a different type of tambourine. It's yellow and it has little jinglies on it. Green light, shake, shake, shake. Green light, shake, shake, shake. Green light, shake, shake, shake. And then red light, I stop. Oh, very nice. Let me try it again. Green light, shake, shake, shake. Green light, shake, shake, shake. Green light, shake, shake, shake. And then red light, I stop.
There's all kinds of silly instruments. Today, I have this. What do you see on this instrument? A train, that's right. Do you know what noise a train makes? Choo choo! Great! This instrument makes it really easy to sound just like a train. All you have to do is blow inside. Should we try it? Great! Whoa! It sounded like a train just went by. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
What? I have this weird box here. I wonder what it does. It has a couple different buttons and levers. Let's see what we can do with it. I'm going to push this red button and I'm going to sing a song and see what happens. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Whoa, it recorded my voice.
Row your boat gently.
What do you think this knob does? Let's twist it this way.
Row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Oh. It's making my voice sound so high and silly. Wow. What about if we twist it this way?
Gently down the stream.
Whoa, it's making my voice so low.
Gently down the stream.
Now what if we go back and forth?
Row your boat gently down the stream.
Whoa,
Row, row your boat gently down the stream.
that's so silly.
Do you see these? I've got shakers. On green light, green light, shake, shake, shake. Green light, shake, shake, shake. Green light, shake, shake, shake. And then red light, I stop. Green light, shake, shake, shake. Green light, shake, shake, shake. Green light, shake, shake, shake. And then red light, I stop.